Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to talk the Bollywood actors and their real life sons that might you don't know. So let's get started. Sunil Shetty and his son Ahan Shetty. Ahan Shetty made his Bollywood debut with the film Tadab in 2021. Shah Rukh Khan and his son Aryan Khan. Aryan Khan now is an entrepreneur. Arbaz Khan and his son Arhan Khan. Arhan Khan is now 20 years old. Akshay Kumar and his son Araf Kumar. Araf Kumar is currently studying at a fashion designing school in London. Saif Ali Khan and his son Ibrahim Ali Khan. Ibrahim Ali is quite popular in social media. Govinda and his son Yash Vardhan Ahuja. Yash Vardhan Ahuja is currently working in the marketing team of director Sajid Nadiwala. Bobby Deol and his son Aryaman Deol. Aryaman Deol is currently studying business management in the US. Sunny Deol and his son Karan Deol. Karan Deol made his Bollywood debut with the film Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas in 2019. Anil Kapoor and his son Harshavardhan Kapoor. Harshavardhan Kapoor made his Bollywood debut in 2016.